In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ventra card to Apple Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Adding a Ventra card to your Apple Wallet makes it extremely convenient to use your Ventra card to board any bus. So all that you have to do is use the Ventra application. Sadly, to my knowledge, you will not be able to do this with only the Apple Wallet. You will need to use the Ventra card app. So once you open the app, sign into a pre-existing account where you have all of your cards registered, or create a new one. You will still be able to add all of your Ventra cards. So if you still need to add them, you will be able to go over to the cards section, choose the option to add a card, and then include all of the details. Now, if you see your existing physical card already listed, all that you have to do is tap on the card itself, and the button to add it to an Apple Wallet will be displayed immediately. So all that you have to do now is tap the option to add to Apple Wallet. You will be immediately redirected into the Apple Wallet with all of the details about the Ventra card already filled out. And all that you have to do is agree with the terms. It is now going to be listed under the Apple Wallet. Only registered full fare Ventra cards can be added to your Apple Wallet. Keep in mind as well that once you have added your Ventra card to an Apple Wallet, your physical card will no longer be valid. This is in order to prevent fraud. So as soon as you add it to a digital wallet, you will no longer be able to use the pre-existing physical card. Ensure that Apple Pay is enabled on your iPhone and that you have a valid payment method associated with the Apple ID. And all that you have to do with NFC capabilities enabled is to physically place your phone near the card reader. The Ventra card will be used for your fare, and you will be able to manage the balance, see your funds inside of the app. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Ventra card to Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.